Wondering how many years you should wait before selling your house? The answer might surprise you. If you've lived in your home for a long time, maybe decades, and you're thinking about selling, one of the first questions people ask is now the right time, especially in Sacramento and surrounding cities where the market changes often. The answer is there's no set number of years that you should wait before selling your home. It really depends on your goals, whether you're looking to upgrade, downsize, relocate, or you just want to be done with your home. But if you're worried about timing the market or avoiding costly repairs before selling, there's another option. When you sell your home for cash in Sacramento with Bridgehaven Homes, we buy properties as is in any condition, no matter how long you've owned it. Here's how our fast process works. You reach out to us with some basic property information like address, condition, and timeline. We will evaluate your home and present you with a no obligation cash offer. If you accept our offer, you choose the closing date that works for you. We handle the paperwork and cover all the closing costs, so you don't have to wait months on the market or worry about repairs. Bridgehaven Homes makes selling your home on your timeline possible. Visit bridgehavenhomes.com.